You already know solar energy is good for the planet. But do you realize how much solar energy can boost the profitability of your business? Your company is already paying a utility for electricity. It's an ongoing expense that is increasing by approximately 4% a year. That means your business will potentially pay double for its current electricity consumption 20 years from now. Paying for electricity from the utility is a never-ending, escalating expense. Solar is an investment. The same dollar spent on your utility bill can be redirected to a solar investment. After tax credits and benefits, the system pays for itself in an average of 4 years and will provide free electricity for decades. Understanding that our current method of energy consumption is not sustainable, the federal government is willing to pick up 26% of the cost for businesses to switch to solar through the Solar Investment Tax Credit. Also, businesses can depreciate the cost of a solar project in the first tax year. Federal tax credits and accelerated depreciation and state depreciation can reduce the cost of a solar project by 62%. After tax credits and incentives, a typical $1 million solar project can cost a business only $380,000. So, the government helps pay for the system, and the remaining system costs can be recouped in an average of 4 years from utility savings. By year 10, the system can inject hundreds of thousands of dollars of savings back into the company's bottom line. Also, many low-interest financing options can make solar installations cash flow positive in the first year and wholly owned in 7 years. Going solar not only positively impacts the bottom line, it also helps reduce carbon emissions and combats climate change. A solar system on a 100,000 square foot roof has the environmental impact equivalent to taking 150 cars off the road. Going green creates a positive image for your customers that can boost your sales and profitability. SunPower by Green Convergence is Southern California's top installer of industry-leading SunPower panels. SunPower is the #1 commercial solar provider in the U.S. based on total megawatts installed, and the trusted solar brand for large corporations including Apple, Toyota, HP, and Federal Express. Contact SunPower by Green Convergence today to get started. All we need is a recent electric bill to show you how much solar can benefit your company, your profitability, and your planet.